Hello viewers, welcome to this unboxing video review on the Sanrio Desk Calendar Series confirmed box. Alright, so let's take a look at this box from front to back, left to right, top to bottom. Alright, and when I went to a hobby store that I normally do not visit and saw this rare particular piece, I go, wow, this looks like some good quality stuff that I would like to add to my collection here. And this happens to be the last confirmed box of the Kuromi version, so I decide to pick this up and add it to my collection. Right, and just take a look here. As you can see, this is what it comes with. Figure, a little book, the chair, and the interchangeable calendar thingies. I mean, very nice so far. And one thing I like about it is that it's reusable every single year, so that's some good stuff here. All right, so based on the box, it's quite pricey, but definitely something rare that I do not normally see, and glad to add this to my collection. So let's get started with the unboxing to see what I'm going to get out of it. Okay, so the calendar cubes looks like this. Very nice. Remove it out of the plastic bag. And the figure is a medium-sized figure. Very nice. All right, look at that. Well sculpted, matte finish, my favorite. Very nice. Good quality figure. And this is the desk. Very nice so far. Saturday, Sundays, the weekend. See the month. Let's see. Okay, so they did it like this. So Saturday, July. I don't know what today's date is. The 7th, something like that. Nice, and this is the chair. Ooh, look at that cute little chair. Has Kuromi's name on it. Quality. And she sits down right there. Very nice. Good quality, well sculpted figure. Glad to add it to my collection. If you're a Sanrio fan and you manage to come across this particular item, gotta pick it up and add it to your collection or even on your computer desk. Highly recommend it. Excellent stuff. By the way, for this particular series, the confirmed box, it's either Kuromi or Pochacco, so I definitely went with Kuromi on this one. And once again, that is a Sanrio Desk Calendar Series confirmed box. Thanks for watching.